Want to sign out of your Windows 11 account quickly? Here are 4 ways to do it. And if you are new here, hit subscribe for more simple tech tips. The easiest way is to through the Start menu. Click the Start button, then click your profile picture or name. Now select Sign Out. You can also use the Power menu. Right-click the Start button, go to Shutdown or Sign Out, then click Sign Out. If your PC is not responding, try this method. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete together, then click Sign Out from the screen. Here's a quick keyboard shortcut. Click on your desktop first, then press Alt F4. From the drop-down menu, select Sign Out and click OK. And that's it, 4 easy ways to sign out on Windows 11. Like, share and subscribe for more quick and helpful tech tips.